Have you heard about the recent incident at Tesla's factory? An incident that left a trail of blood and a lot of unanswered questions. Pull up a chair and prepare for a journey into the world of industrial robots, safety protocols, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. One cloudy day in 2021, an engineer at a Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, found himself in an unexpected and terrifying confrontation. Working on 3 robot arms, he was unaware that only 2 had been shut off. Suddenly, one of these mechanical behemoths pinned him against a surface, leaving an open wound on his left hand. Imagine the scene: the engineer trapped, his hand bleeding, until, in a moment of relief, another worker in the area activated the emergency stop button. The engineer was free, but the damage had been done. Questions began to swirl. How could this happen? Were there sufficient safety measures in place? This incident wasn't the first time Tesla's safety measures have come under scrutiny. In the year prior, California regulators found that Tesla had omitted injuries from its factory injury reports. And in the year following the incident, the Workers' Defense Project filed a lawsuit against Tesla, alleging insufficient safety training for employees. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, responded to the incident, criticizing media reports, calling it shameful, and stating that the incident involved a common industrial robot arm, not the Optimus robots that Tesla has high hopes for. But the question remains: regardless of the type of robot, shouldn't safety always be paramount? The incident was reported to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, in Tesla's Form 300 report. OSHA has inspected Tesla's factories multiple times in recent years, but will this incident lead to more stringent safety protocols? In summary, an engineer at a Tesla Gigafactory was injured when a robot arm, not properly deactivated, pinned him against a surface. This incident has raised serious questions about safety protocols and training within Tesla's factories, leading to investigations and lawsuits. Despite Elon Musk's defense, the incident underscores the importance of safety in the face of technological advancement. So the next time you marvel at the sleek lines of a Tesla car, or the promise of a future filled with automated robots, remember the human element. Remember the engineer. And remember that progress, while exciting, should never come at the expense of safety.